Did you know that knowing the age structure of dolphin populations can help their conservation? Age structure is the proportion of individuals in a population in different age classes, and healthy populations usually have a certain proportion of each age group. So how can we quickly monitor the age structure of wild dolphin populations? We are currently using Unoccupied Aerial System-photogrammetry, aka drone imaging. How this works is we launch drones to capture videos of as many groups of dolphins from a population as we can. From those videos, we measure the distance between the blowhole and the dorsal fin, and we use that measurement to estimate their age class. We repeat this for most dolphins in each group, so in the end, we can quantify the age structure of that population. By regularly drone monitoring a population, we may quickly detect changes in its age structure, and if required, act early to protect them. So, if you want to learn more about this, you can read our study in the link in our bio.